Wars. I'm Charles. Joining me today is my wife, Amy. We got a special treat for you today. And honey, what are we having?
All right, we're gonna do cauliflower seafood pizzas with Alfredo sauce as our base.
And this is not just everyday cauliflower pizza. We didn't make this. We went to Walmart, we bought this. This is a 2-pack. These are 10-inch round pizzas, right? 10-inch.
Yes.
And we got fresh lump crab meat that we got from the Gulf today. We've got fresh cooked bacon, and we've got delicious mozzarella cheese shredded. So we're gonna join Amy at the stove. She's gonna go over, this is really cool, this Alfredo sauce. That's really gonna make the dish. So we're gonna join her at the stove. I'm gonna bring you in closer, and she'll go over all the ingredients, and we're gonna get the show on the road.
All right, so we're making our Alfredo. So we're gonna drop in 1 stick of butter and let that start melting. It's room temperature, so that was good. It was already pretty soft, so it's gonna melt pretty fast. And then we are going to drop in our cream cheese. I'm just gonna take half right now and drop that in.
And that's organic cream cheese,
As far
right?
as the cream cheese, yes. The cream cheese, it's a whole stick of cream cheese, a whole bar. Okay. So the cream cheese could take a couple minutes just to break down, but that's what I'm waiting for. All right, and now I'm gonna add in my 1.5 cups of grated cheese. Here we go. Just sort of whisking that in now. Okay, next we are going to add our 2 cups of heavy cream. Let's stir that in. Oh, it's already getting creamy. Okay guys, these ingredients are all coming together, and next I'm going to add my tablespoon of garlic. Here we go. And my tablespoon of onion powder. I'm just bringing this to a light boil so that all of the ingredients have a chance to bind together. And as you can see, it's starting to bubble. There we go. All right, we are going to add our Alfredo sauce onto our pizza. Yeah, we didn't do a red sauce because the white sauce goes better with crab and seafood type pizzas. I'm excited to try cauliflower pizzas.
All right, let's add, well, I wash my hands as I normally do, and we'll get some crab, sprinkled crab. Oh, yeah. This is roughly about a 1/2 pound of crab that we're going to put over each, a total between the 2 pizzas. Make sure it gets all right. Let's get some bacon. Now we're going to lather it up with mozzarella cheese. I like a lot of cheese on pizza. Every time I order pizza, what do you want for extras? Extra cheese.
Have you ever had crab pizza before?
No, this will be the first time for me to have seafood pizza.
Have you ever seen it in any restaurant either?
I've heard of different types of seafood pizza, but you know, I never had it. They make so many types of pizza, but man, I think that looks beautiful. We'll put a little more on. Oh yeah. This is such an easy dish, guys. It's a quick one to do too. Look how fast Amy did that Alfredo sauce. Isn't that ridiculous? That was so quick, hon. All right, hon.
All right. Let's stick them in the oven. All right, here it goes into the oven, one, and then we have the other one. They look awesome.
And we've got the oven at approximately, what, 480 you set it for?
Yeah.
Excellent. So we're going to let it bake now. How long do you think it'll take?
Probably 10 to 12 minutes.
Okie doke.
All right, let's check to see if these pizzas are done. And it looks like they are. Oh, yes. Look at these, guys. Oh, my goodness. The cheese is all melted. Let's take them out. This is fun. This is fun for a Friday night. And just an easy meal. All right, let's go ahead and cut this. I can already tell this is going to be fabulous. Oh my gosh, anything with cheese on it, it's gonna be awesome.
Ooh, does that look delicious?
Let me show you.
Look at that.
Look at the cheese.
Guys,
Cheers.
cheers. Yeah. I want to give you guys just a look at it. She cheated. She cheated. How is it?
That is so good with the Alfredo sauce. I love this.
All right, guys, just look at that. Is that not delicious? Oh, yeah. All right. First time for me. I want to see how this tastes. Oh, man. This really came out delicious.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Oh, wow.
And guys, I just want to say, if you don't want cauliflower pizza, that's fine. You can get regular crust. We just chose that because we're trying to be healthy.
No, but it really does taste good. No joking. This is the first time I think I've had cauliflower pizza. You never made it for me.
Let's
Okay,
go.
right. So this is the first time for me, and I got to tell you, really, first time. It's excellent. You know what really makes the crab come out is the bacon. I don't know why. We did a bacon shrimp that everybody loved, and we loved it, and we still talk about it. That bacon bring out the flavor of the shrimp. It is bringing out the flavor of the crab. I'm telling you, this is outrageous.
excellent.
And having a lot of mozzarella cheese.
Ooh,
I know normally when you make pizza, they put the cheese down first and all the toppings. I wanted this covered in cheese, so forgive me for that. If you guys like to do it that way, have at it. The recipe and the ingredients will be in the links below. And modify it. You guys want more of this, you want to add a little bit more vegetables in it, you can doll this up any way you want. But this is just an entry-level seafood pizza
Alfredo pizza.
with Alfredo sauce. And the Alfredo sauce is excellent. So, honey, you did a great job.
I love it.
Oh, yeah.
You guys have to make this.
Yeah, this is, I could see a lot of this pizza is going to be gone tonight for dinner. So, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, why don't you hit that subscribe button? I believe it's going to be right there if I got this right. But thanks so much. We really appreciate you. We want you to be part of the Fish Hook Outdoor family. So be on the lookout for, we've got some more tasty videos coming up. During this time of coronavirus, I'm kind of specializing and emphasizing a lot on cooking right now. All the beaches are shut down. The water access, I've got them working on my boat right now. I'm down here in Florida. They're putting new brakes on and a couple of axles on my trailer. So I've got the boat domiciled in the yard right now, but I'm going to get it back on the water hopefully this next week, and we'll do some videos there as well. I didn't forget about the fishing, but everything had to take a back burner now. I couldn't really be as aloof and, free as I wanted to. So I was domiciled a lot. What better thing to do than do a lot of cooking? I hope you guys are enjoying it. I've got some very interesting hunting videos coming up where we're going to do some reviews on some guns that I've got and some ammo that I bought for the upcoming hunting season. So I want to go over that with you guys, for all you hunters out there, men and women alike. Thanks again. I hope you guys have a great week, and we will see you on the next one. Thanks so much.